I'll show you here. See, so this is something, right? This is something register. You are capturing this, right? Okay, so you are just clicking on register, right, Mohammed? I need your response. So in the background, did you see background of this code for register one button? Can I show you?
Yeah.
This much code is there background for one register. If you want to write for one register button, this much code is there background. Okay, what Tosca is doing, Tosca is completely capturing entire code into that tool. How it is happening? It's all happening just because of AI.
Got you.
Understood? This is
Yeah.
AI and
So they're
AI.
all.
This is AI based tool, man. No worries. This will survive definitely. Maybe
Oh.
it will take little while. Maybe if you get in the market, if you get such kind of a best tool more than this, then only it will be down. Otherwise, until then, it will survive. You will be survive. You will have some
I'm
future.
sure.
Okay.
I'm sure by the time I'll learn other concepts,
Yeah.
technology.
Yeah. So man, I know that you are completely engaged with your family and kids, wife, papa, mommy. You are also engaged with your job and also classes. So this couldn't allow you to take more, more to learn. These are all, it couldn't allow you to learn more about AWS, more about DevOps, more about AI. So why? Because if you are very much free from all those any responsibilities, then you could able to concentrate on something like that. I know your mind. That is the reason I have suggested this. Yes, market is actually market is completely diverted into this AI. That's fine. But thing is, I know, as I know that you could not able to do AI right now. I'm sure. I'm not degrading you. Okay, I'm not you know demotivating you, but as I can
No,
say,
that's right.
I can say the fact, by doing all these activities, all responsibilities, under all these responsibilities, you could not handle AWS and DevOps, no doubt in that. If you prove me wrong, then I can accept. Okay, so
Maybe once I
also,
learn this, I have to learn that. Of course.
yes, after this is a first step. I am showing you the path. This is a first step for you to enter in this IT. This is the first
Yeah,
step.
maybe.
The second one
Yeah.
is, if you have enough time, so while you are doing this job, you just quit off that restaurant job. So just once after getting this job, please try
Yeah.
to survive in this. After that, just look into step into this DevOps or kind of artificial
Yeah.
intelligence. Until unless you should not go, people will suggest in wrong way. People will suggest whatever they want, but you should think what you are, what is your capability, what is your mindset, how much skill you have,
Understood.
all this stuff, right?
Yeah.
This is a fact. So see, I know Tosca, I know AWS, I know DevOps, I know Azure, I know GCP, I know DigitalOcean. So after knowing all this stuff also, still I'm lagging. I'm very much
Yeah.
sound. I'm very much sound in technically, but I am not sound in the money wise. Money wise in the sense financially. Maybe that is secondary. So if I know all this stuff also, even I'm not thinking to go in AI way. AI is not that much easy. That is completely neural network will be there. Neural network will be there. So lot of mathematical calculations, lot of networking stuff. There is a big thing is there in that. If you go there, definitely in the second day you will leave it. Otherwise, I will change my name or I'll change my country.
Yeah. That's true.
So that's why I'm not suggesting you. I know what to suggest to you. Don't listen others words, because they are thinking in their way, their perspective. They will suggest, people are complete across globe is suggesting to go AI, but you should retrospect to yourself. You should revise your mind. So will I be able to do this current in this age, current in this situation? Just
Yeah.
retrospect to yourself.
Yeah.
That's what. Okay, let me stop here. I hope you
Okay.
understood. Let me begin my session. So we have discussed last time about properties, right?
Yeah.
So now we are going to discuss about TCP. Okay.
Okay.
What is TCP? Test configuration parameter. Okay. Did I share my screen?
Yeah, you already did.
Okay. One second.
You did.
Oh. Okay. Let me do
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. It was already there.
One second. One second. Let me do it again. I forgot to add one thing here. Uh, so I know your condition also. I have a lot, needy, money needy, but I'm not emphasizing you. I'm not insisting you to set the money, but I'm going with it because I trust you.
Yeah, for sure. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Yeah, your screen's not there yet.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. One second. One second. Just I have one document. One second. I'll close this. Let me share it again. You can visible, right? Is it visible? I hope you can see, right?
Yeah, I can see.
See, TCP means test configuration parameter. Okay. So, yeah, this is the one, right? Test configuration parameter. So what is the purpose of test configuration parameter? Earlier we have seen properties, okay, but normally in generally what we are doing in the Tosca, every time we are actually what is USA project? Yeah, see here, for suppose this is one example in the registration or some any of one kind of registration login is there. So login link is there here. Let me open here. See here, login link is there, which means you hard coded in sense you are clicking on this, and you are keeping the details here, signing up. Okay. I'll take one simple scenario for you. So let me try to create a folder, login. See, Mohammed. So this is login user test case. For suppose if I extend this, you can see here open URL. Okay. After that open URL. So you have done already this also. So how you are entering you are entering with the emails, correct?
Yeah.
You are entering your password here. One
So
second.
this is exactly how we do it in
Yeah,
job two.
yeah, exactly. No doubt in that. No doubt in that. Okay, just believe me what we are doing. If you believe your guru, automatically you can believe yourself.
So what's the point? This is just to sign in, or just to what exactly? Because what is the
Exactly.
project?
In the project also, so suppose this is just a demo purpose, they mentioned on a website.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay, but in real time you will get real applications. Example, um,
So
suppose
my question is,
Amazon
what
is there.
exactly we
I'm
have to do?
coming to the point. I'm coming to the point. That's what, since the beginning I'm saying that only. So some application you will get, they will keep their applications in your hand. Okay, hey Mohammed, this is your application. So you just
Uh-huh.
do test all these things whether it is working properly or not. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
So what you will do, you
Yeah.
need, for suppose in our case
Yes.
currently you have to check this button is working or not. What you will do, you need to scan this and you need
Uh-huh.
to store this properties in the module.
Web shop.
Yes, in the
Oh man.
module
Yeah.
commander, in the commander module will be there that will store this. After that you will drag and drop into the test case and you will test it.
Test it. Yes.
That's what you want to do that
And
in real
run
time
it in the
also.
web and run it in the web shop, right?
Yes. So web shop is a just kind of a simple
Tool.
example to show
Yeah.
you. Like that you will have such kind of products, such
I
kind
get
of
it. I get it. We'll
applications.
have some kind of page with the job
Yes,
that I will able to run it.
exactly. So you will get a web applications, web pages. So
I got it now.
you need to
Yeah.
test whatever they ask.
So they could give multiple, like, let's say, whatever you click, multiple of those, or no? You have to
Yes,
do one
yes,
by.
yes, yes. You have to do one by one. How you will get in the sense? Suppose this is one scenario. For suppose something is there here, Nutrova is there, and Nutrova is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products you have. Okay, they will ask you to test these 3 products today. Okay, you need
Uh-huh.
to test it.
Within 8 hours.
Yeah, 8 hours. In the 8 hours, you will test these 3 products. Okay, after that, next day you're gonna test these two, like that, one by one. You will not test all entire website in one day. Okay,
Correct.
so
Awesome.
they will create you one user story for you. They will assign you, hey Mohammed, this is your
Yeah.
task today. Okay, you have to test this and this and this. So you will get email also regarding that. So what you have to do, so you have to test all these 3 and you need to report them. That's it, that is your job. Okay, so how you are
Yeah.
testing in the sense, I'm just showing by taking help of this web shop. I'm just
Correct.
explaining you all the features available in the Tosca. You must need to know where is the TCP, what is the TCP, what is properties, what is module, what is test case, and all those stuff. First of all, you must know what are the features are available in this Tosca. That is the reason I'm just letting you to understand where are the features, what are the features are there in this Tosca. That's why, by taking help of
Yeah.
this sample website. Got you?
Yeah.
That's what I am trying to say. So uh, out of
What about
that,
the other? What about this website? Would it be same or no?
which one?
This one, Tosca one.
No, you will not work on top of this, never, in
No, no,
real
no,
time.
no. The other,
Mm. Go ahead.
the other page you had previous.
You mean this one?
This one. No, no,
This
no,
one.
no, no.
Well,
The first one.
let me check. This is the first one, this is second one,
No,
and
no,
this
no,
is
no.
third one. One second, I'll show you, wait. You are saying what? uh,
Where did it go?
where should I click this on the on top of this?
I think so. Where'd you open it?
This.
I think you exited. Oh, this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
This one.
this is Tosca. This is our tool.
So we will use that.
Yeah, by using this tool only, you are going to capture into the modules, right, Mohammed? So
So they will
by
have this
scanning,
for sure.
yeah, definitely. Without this, you can't do it, right? Suppose you are going to office without car. How will you go?
Yeah, true.
This is a kind of tool. This is a kind of core to reach that application, to test that application.
Uh huh.
Understood? Without vehicle, we can't move nowadays. If you want to go, it will take more than 10 days to reach your
So
destination.
yeah, well, probably 1 month.
Yeah, more than. So because long
So
distance is too much, right?
plus water and stuff.
Yep. So
But
you definitely gonna work on top of this tool. Same features. Everything will
uh,
be as usual. Everything will be there. You can see everything there.
and my other question was, I lost it. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Continue. I'll ask you when I remember.
I'm saying these applications might changes, but
Of course. Yeah, I get
process
that
will be
part.
same.
Yeah.
Okay, applications will be different, but process will be
Well,
same.
so you know how you create your own, and I did too. But that's demo crate or we bought it.
This is come again, come again.
The Tosca one website. Did we?
This is, we can call it as
I,
a tool. Tosca Commander.
uh we don't need to buy this, right?
No, never. Why should we buy? Why should we buy? We never buy this. Company will buy that. Company will
Okay.
buy. Company will buy, and they
Download
will
it in
allow
the
you to
laptop
do it.
already.
Yeah, they will allow you to do it. Everything will be done by themselves. IT team will be there. They will help you. Or else, for suppose you got a job, so they requested to do it. Hey Mohammed, actually you have good experience, so you just do it by yourself. I'll share you the license credentials. Then I'm there, right man, to help you. I'm there.
Yeah.
One of my friend is there, Harish. He's also will help you. Don't worry.
So the guy is already in job, right?
Yes.
So maybe one day, like whenever he's free, I don't know what time he is. Maybe he could get on a call and show us how the project is, like whatever he's doing, like
Let
a
me ask.
sample.
Let me ask. I don't know how India
Not
has a
today.
lot of security. I'll show
Oh,
you. I'll
yeah,
show
is
you
it?
that. India has a lot of security. It doesn't allow others screen sharing.
To see.
Uh,
Oh, I get you.
yeah, but definitely will try to make you to show that. At least I'll try to share the screenshots.
Like how the daily like processes.
No
I just
problem,
want to
no
see.
problem, Mama. Now, if you want, I can arrange not next week. He's going for some surgery next week.
That's fine.
Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Whenever,
He'll be in a
whenever it's
hospital.
fine.
Okay, so not this week, not this upcoming week, and after finishing maybe next Sunday, not next Sunday, upcoming Sunday.
And he does it from where? India or over here?
He is from here only. He's my friend. He's here only.
Well, you said this guy that gets $20,000
More
a
than that,
month.
yeah, $25,000
Dollars
dollars
from India.
from India. We need to convert in rupees. We'll get in rupees. Yeah, to make you to understand, I just converted it into dollars.
That's a lot.
He's having great experience, man. A lot of experience. He's having a lot of experience. So he will help you. Don't worry. I will arrange a call with him. So you're gonna talk.
Who's the other guy that you get in the call with? He's a student.
Yeah,
I think Srinka, something like that. I don't
Shrikant.
know.
I actually, he's also learning, but that guy not much. Into the this IT. He doesn't know
Right.
how IT is, IT atmosphere, IT premises. He doesn't know English also. He could not able to speak English properly. So he doesn't suits
It's
for
tough.
this.
Yeah,
Yeah, he can't speak English.
yeah, it's really tough when you want to get a job.
Yeah, that's why English is most communication is most important nowadays. So I emphasized him to learn know all those stuff, but he could not able to speak properly English. So he could not able to appear for interviews and all.
Yeah,
So he know how to do it, but he doesn't know how to speak English properly because they are from Telugu medium backgrounds.
yeah,
That's why.
it's okay.
All right.
Yeah,
That's good. That's fine. So I would like to add one more girl into this your call, man. So maybe they will be support to you. So she's also new. So let me take one more girl into your the current class.
right now.
Not right now. Maybe in this week, I guess. Let's see. So some
Okay.
suggested me to help her. I mean, we are taking money also, but I'm going to plan for merge into this class
That's fine.
if you allow me only.
No,
Else, if not, I'll take separate.
no, it's okay.
So you understood, right? So that's it. This is all general questions. So you completed all generic questions.
Yes.
Okay, let me go into the topic. So this is we are talking about TCP, transfer, sorry, test configuration parameter. Okay, so in this basically in this Tosca, so if you want to run generally, if you want to run this normally in the login, for suppose if you want, you need to click on this and you need to enter hard coded values, I'm saying. So earlier, so let me show you. In this open URL is there, right? In this open URL we used to keep some like this, we used to keep URL here, correct? And we used to keep click button, we used to keep details like this, example email. I'll take email, one email. What is that? Notepad. So I'll complete very soon your classes, okay?
Yeah.
So better I'll take more time for you. So initially it will little hard to understand you because you are not doing practice, that is the reason you could not able to understand it little while. So but once you do practice, or once you do habituate with working all those stuff, then it's easy for you, okay? So first of all I need to complete these classes and you need to start for marketing anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so for suppose here let me try to, so here you mentioned everything hard coded, right? Hard coded in the sense you are copying and pasting, okay? You are typing everything, you are typing like this, right? So you are keeping like this, in every value you are keeping some particular email address and all, okay? So let me try to run now. Close this, try to run Scratchbook. See this, it is automatically do its task it by itself. You just need to give the values, that's it. You must need to know the process. That's if you complete the process, remaining test will be taken care by the tool itself. You must need to
Yeah.
know how to do it, how to set up it, and how to run this, that's it. Your duty is only for that. Remaining task will be taken care by Tosca itself. So you must need to understand that if something fails, what is the reason why it is getting fail. It's taking time. Let's see. It is clicking on it. See it? It's working by its
Yeah.
own. Okay, that's it. Logged out. Okay. Okay, and if close the browsers, including close the browser, it is also closed browser by itself. Clear? You see the result? You see the result here? See here, successful. Everything is success. Everything it is showing green color. Clear? This is how we used to do earlier. So now let's talk about TCP. TCP in the sense test configuration parameter. How we are actually keeping the hard coded values in the respected particular test case or test step, but nowadays we are not going to do that. We will store some particular values. What is the use of test configuration parameter? Test configuration parameter can be used to pass the specific value to the various test case. So if you want to pass the values, where you need to keep, you have to store your values for particular place. For suppose in your house there will be almara, you know what I can say, shelf will be there, right? Okay, there will be a shelf, right, Mohammed? In your house there will be shelf. Correct, Mohammed? Are you there? Can you see this? See here, example, I am going to let you know. So something you see here, so you are keeping one everything like this. You are keeping here, you are keeping here one thing, some books here, some balls here, or some like that. You arrange some books in the shelves. Correct? Are you with me? Are you with me, Muhammad? Hello? Hello? Let me cross check. Oh my goodness, I think it's closed, I guess. Oh my goodness. One second. Let me try to rejoin him. Mohammed. Hey, sorry, Mohammed. Mohammed, are you with me? Hello?
Yeah, what happened?
What happened means automatically it's closed the browser, right?
Yeah.
Tosca closed browser in the sense automatically it is also gone. Actually, I would have tested in this other browser. I have tested wherever you are actually connected. That is also closed
Yeah.
automatically.
Okay.
So that was a problem. So that just while I need to take care that next time. Okay, don't worry. Anyways, give me 1 second. Anyways, Mohammed, where I have stopped, where it was disconnected.
It was you were running the test.
Okay, after finishing test case, we whatever I have spoken, so all gone, right? Okay, let me try to understand. Let me try to make you to understand. See here actually in the test case, you have seen this test case got successfully done. Clear? So here, what mentioned in the open URL we kept like this. In the open URL we mentioned something value in this value, right? And also in the details also we are putting our values here. So instead of doing this, instead of keeping all like this, so we're gonna store our values in one particular place. Okay, example I am going to show you. Example, in your house, right? In your house there are shelves like this, correct? You are not throwing your books at somewhere like this, right? You are not going to throw it, right? You keep in shelf some racks. You have some racks, right, like this.
Yeah.
Same way in Tosca also we will put our values. For example, email ID, password, all those stuff. Open URL, so URLs, emails, passwords at particular place. That place called as TCP. Clear? Understood? So we will
Yes.
store our values in particular place. That place called as TCP. It's like this, you know. In the TCP we are going to store our passwords and URLs. Understood?
Yes.
So test configuration parameter can be used to pass the specific values to various test cases. Okay, where it is we are actually storing the values. Where we are storing the values in the TCP. That's it. Earlier we directly given the values like this. From today now onwards we are not going to give the values like this. Okay, in the TCP, if you use TCP you don't need to give like this values. Understood? Okay, so what is this? Test configuration parameters are nothing but variables. which can be pass different test cases. Variable in the sense, example, so username is there, Mohammed, correct? This we can call it as a variable. It varies.
Yes.
Okay, and this is value, this is a key, and this is a value. So these are all variables. Variable in the sense, today might be admin 123, after that it might be Noor 123, or it might be Muhammad@gmail.com, like that. This may changes, but this will be constant. This we can call it as a variable. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So where we use TCP, you want to parameterize the test cases. Suppose login test case is there. In the login test cases, password is there, email is there. Instead of keeping all typing, suppose Mohammed, so if I keep, so far actually I'm just giving you test, I'm giving you demo, and I'm taking classes for you. That is the reason I have a less test cases. So far, still if it is a class also, I have a lot of test cases. Just imagine in the companies, it'll have a more than 100 and 200 and 1000 like that. So if you give continuously like this values, what happens is, so if you want to find something, it will take more time. So instead of doing that, what you will do is, you will create a TCP. Understood? You will create a TCP. In the TCP, you are going to keep the values. That's it. Okay, you are going to keep the values and you will call them. How you are going to keep? Suppose, see here, there is a TCP test. See here, try to read this.
Create test configuration parameter.
Yeah, test case configuration parameter. Clear? So you just click on this. See here, it got created. What I will do here, I will try to create email. I'm keeping all values at one place, Mohammed, and I'm not doing anything extra. Okay? Just keep email, password, okay, and URL. Okay, so far in this test case, only these are all useful, Mohammed. Okay, so email is, I'm just putting all details at one place, one particular place. Okay, paste here, and password you keep here. Okay, and browser also you cannot. So just now what happened, while I was trying to test, after closing the browser, automatically you also disconnected, right? So I don't want to use current browser, which this Chrome browser. I want to change the browser, so I will do change the browser by taking help of TCP. You see, try to create, click on browser, remove this browser. See, browser I am going to keep Edge now. See, Edge. So now what happens, whenever you run this, test case will go to the Edge, not in the Chrome. Currently, where are you? We are connected in the Chrome. Earlier it was running on the Chrome. So that's why you got disconnected. So this is our features we have. So these features we need to utilize. That's it. Okay, if you want to, for example, you have created one extra TCP. If you want to delete, simply just click on reset default value. That's it. It will go. And save this. Okay, we created and also we need to create URL also, correct? Let me create URL. Okay, URL. Okay, what is our project URL? This is our URL. Okay, I need to copy this URL and paste, which means you are storing one particular place, Mohammed. Nothing you are doing. Earlier we used to use values in every step. Now we are not keeping every step values. We are keeping all at one place. Clear? We are keeping the values all at one place. That is called as TCP.
Yes.
So, but you are keeping the values. That's fine, Mohammed. But test case also will get to know that, right? Okay, these are all values are here. But how should I call them? How should I recognize? So, first suppose open URL is there, right, Mohammed? So let me open here. So instead of keeping this hardcode value, I will call them from the TCP. How should I call? This is a syntax. What is the syntax? I'm keeping here, Mohammed. See here. Try to note it down. Here you need to open and close the parenthesis. CP, and you should keep here email. URL. Clear? So that much, nothing else. This is not a big thing, right? You can easily remember this. Okay, and you just simply type here like this, open flower bracket, close flower bracket, and CP means configuration protocol, and
Yeah.
open and close square bracket. You need to mention here u, simply u, automatically it is showing, simple enter. So then what happens, now what happens, whenever you run this, first whenever it comes to the open URL, okay, immediately it will go to the TCP, it will go to the TCP and check the what is URL. Okay, URL is something here, okay, let me try to run. This is how Tosca thinks. Understood, my dear friend? Okay.
Yeah.
And here in the values, for suppose there is an email, I don't want to give the email like this, man. I'll call them, I'll call from there only. So I just stored somewhere, from there itself I am calling. Okay, how, why, CP, okay, and I'll call, what is that, email, right? Just enter E, that's it, automatically select it, that's it. Okay, or else you can type, no problem. And password also, Mohammed, password also I am just removing hard coded values, I'm just calling them. Just follow me. CP, tell me. CP. Okay, square, open square bracket, close square bracket, and you just type the password. PASSWORD. You can type password like this also, you can click also. Okay, you understood, right? It has populated also, that we selected, correct? So and after that it will wait on, and after that close the browser, that's it, simple. So if I run it, it will, why I am saying, if I run this, automatically it will run in the edge. If it is not run, you just ask me, why Lokesh you said something like, okay, you are bluffing. Okay, so then I will try to run now, I'll cross check and I'll try to run now. Clear? To cross check, you just click on this, automatically you can see, yeah, I'm calling URL here, I'm calling email here, I'm calling password here, I'm calling, okay, that's fine, looks all good. Okay, so then if I try to run this, just try to run this, so it is opening in the Edge. See, it is Edge browser, you see, Mohammed, this is Edge browser,
Yeah.
not Chrome.
Yeah.
Automatically opened. Currently we are talking in the Chrome browser, but Tosca opened Edge browser. How does Tosca
Yeah.
will get to know that? By taking help of TCP only. Tosca taking help of TCP, it opened in the Edge browser. So this is a wonder, right? This is really fantastic, astonishing thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let us wait a couple of seconds. Some seconds. So you may ask the questions, Lokesh, instead of doing this directly, I can keep the value. Yes, you can keep the value, it will work. But thing is, if you have thousand emails, for suppose 1000 passwords or 1000 values like that, your client is asking, hey Mohammed, actually whatever we have done, the task got failed, so you need to change all the values. In that case, how many times you have to change? 1000 times you have to change. Correct. Here, see here, successfully done. Clear, Mohammed, with the TCP.
Yeah.
So now what? There is a requirement, Mohammed. There is a requirement that suppose I don't want this URL, Mohammed. Okay. I don't want this URL. I want to change the URL. If you want to change the URL, you don't need to go inside the test case. Okay. You don't need to go inside the test case. You just go to the. Let me copy that URL. Amazon. Okay, copy this and just paste directly from here, all at one place, simple. This is a kind of all-in-one. You are keeping values all at one place, just simply calling them. You are keeping the values, you are calling them. You are keeping the values, you are calling. What you are calling, Mohammed? You are calling these names, not them. We are not calling. Earlier we used to call the values like this. Now we are calling this one. Okay, suppose I did not click anything, Mohammed, here. in the open URL I did not mention anything here. So if I click in the TCP itself, there is a TCP here, right? In the TCP itself I have changed. Now I'll try to run this. You see what it will open. Just can you guess what it will open? Is this will open demo web shop?
Yeah.
No. Why it will open demo web
Close
shop?
browser.
It will open only whatever we mentioned, that will open. Okay. So whatever it will whatever we mention, in the sense this link, whatever link is there, that link it will open. Demo web shop I have removed that, right? And I copied
Yeah.
Amazon link. So now it is opening. See here, what it has
Yeah.
opened? It opened Amazon. So instead of keeping hard code values, we are actually putting all the values at one place. Okay. So then, so whenever you have a requirement to change that value, immediately we go to the TCP and we will change the values at one place. We are putting this a kind of bank. We are putting all at one place. Okay. I kept here email one place, password one place, URL one place. And whenever you need it, so you are calling them. Understood, my dear friend?
Yes.
This is complete test case level. It will work for only test case level. For suppose, so currently I have created here, right? I have created here, right, Mohammed? So which means
Yes.
it is applicable to all this. For suppose if I create here, it will applicable to all these folders. Why? Because this is a project level. Okay, if I create
Yeah.
here test TCP, see here also is there. Okay, if you want to create here TCP, this will be applicable to the entire test cases, all the test cases, all the folders. But now I have created only here, right, Mohammed? So that is the reason it is applicable to only these test case. That's it. I created the test case in the test case level, not in the project level. You can create the test case in the project level also, Mohammed.
Yeah.
That's what I am saying. That's it. That's it for today. This is only you understood, right? So what is the
Correct.
meaning of it? So avoid hard coding the values, okay, and reusable across the test cases, and make test case easier and maintain. Help the data driven testing, and also help for that CI/CD, Jenkins and DevOps also it will help, my dear friend, for
Okay.
integration. Okay, and TCP. So how to create TCP I have shown you already. Clear? You understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how we will use TCP. So can you explain whatever you understood? Please, whatever you get, please tell.
So TCP, we just create like we pick a browser, we create it, we put in a test in testing, and we create a different browser instead of like if I'm using Chrome, we put it in the Edge, so it doesn't interrupt the other browser, right?
So what is the purpose of TCP? You must know that application where we are using. What is the purpose? So this kind of questions you will get in an interview. So what is the purpose of TCP? They will ask you a question like this. You must say, hey Alex, TCP is nothing but it's a TCP test configuration
Yeah.
parameter. Okay, instead of keeping hard code values in every test step, we are going to create a TCP test configuration parameter. We are putting all the values at one place, and by using some syntax called this syntax. What is the syntax? Open this one. So say example, this is a syntax. Open and close the bracket. Okay, flower brackets, and CP you are calling as a configuration protocol, and inside open and close a square bracket. Inside that you are keeping the value. So what happens is, so this will always call the value. So it doesn't matter whatever you change. Suppose I want to change this URL. you can change it. Even though you change the values, it will call. Okay, instead of coming here and changing here like that every value, hard coding value, you are putting all the values at one place and you are just simply calling them. Understood, my dear friend?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what we are doing in the TCP. Hope you understood, or else you can ask me the question again. So what is the purpose of it, why we have to do all these things? Okay, so where I have to use this, what is the use of all this stuff? You can ask me the questions.
So from previous like the modules and stuff we did, where does this come? Like in what case?
Yeah, modules actually, we have actually scanned modules and we kept here.
Uh-huh.
After that we dragged and dropped in this test case, correct?
Yeah.
So after keeping the test case only, we will run the test case. So we are, some values are is there in test case is nothing but we are ready to test the application.
So for TCP, we didn't need to use module.
No need Mohammed, because we are
Okay.
TCP we are working on test case level only, not module level.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Good question, Mohammed. Great, appreciate you.
So there's not everything will be in module. It will be tested mostly.
Module only for scanning the new features. That's it.
Got you.
Scanning the new features which you doesn't have already, which is not
Yeah.
available in the standard modules. Then we are
Gotcha.
going here. We are coming to the what is the application, particular application. So we are actually scanning them and we are putting them into the modules. That's it. That is the work of
Then
module only. Then we are dragging and dropping in the test case.
Yes, got
So
you.
in the test case, what if you are running, if you are everything ready with the test case, means you are very much 100% you are ready to test the case, test the application. So
Yeah.
this TCP level is working for only test case level or folder level or project level. That's what TCP will work for, only this level, not for module level, not for execution level, not like this. Okay, TCP is for only test case level.
Okay.
Okay,
Gotcha.
this is so far I created for test case level, but there is a project level also, there is folder level also. You can create a folder level also. If you create folder level, what happens, it will be applicable to the all the test case. Okay, so suppose I have only one test case, Mohammed, so far. Same way,
Yeah.
I have three test cases are there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, in that case what happens, I just only applied for this test case only, so I have two extra test cases are there, suppose. Okay, this TCP doesn't work for other two test cases because I created only for test case level, not for the folder level. If you create
Yeah.
the folder level, that will be applicable all the test case level, which means you can create also test case level TCP, you can create TCP for entire folder level. Okay, you can create the TCP entire project level. This is a project level, Mohammed. This is a folder level, Mohammed. This is a test
Okay.
case level, Mohammed. Here also we can create, right click and we can create. Here also we can create, right click and we create. Clear?
Uh-huh. Gotcha.
Okay.
But in
Suppose-
module you can't create it, right?
Module we won't touch anything. TCP related we won't touch
Mhm.
anything. That's it.
Gotcha,
We are
gotcha.
working here only. Example, there is a district, right? There will be district, there will be state, there will be country. Okay, country is high level, right? For suppose if
Yeah.
something happens to the country, that will impact all the states in the country, correct?
Yes.
Suppose if it is a state level, okay, something effect into the state level, that never impact on other states, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, suppose that is a district level in the sense, suppose Hyderabad was one district, for suppose if something happens in the district level, that will impact only the district, remaining district and remaining states and remaining all the states and all the other states will not impact. Clear,
Yeah.
Mohammed? So let me take a pen. So I'll try to make you to understand. Mohammed, what I'm trying to say is,
Mm-hmm.
suppose in the TCP, one second. In the TCP, this is a country. I could not able to write properly. I'm getting I'll frustrate once I open this. Always.
Mm-hmm.
Let me open it again. Zoom is very much better than this, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But
Just
we
open
don't.
and work.
The thing is, actually, we don't have Zoom, right? We don't have a Zoom credential. I mean, premium. That's why. Suppose this is a country level.
Uh-huh.
Suppose this is India, Mohammed. Okay, and under India, you have a state, right? State.
Uh-huh.
This is a state. State means, example, Telangana. Okay, and this is in the sense, this is a country.
Mm-hmm.
In the state, we'll have a district, right?
Hyderabad.
Yeah, district. In the sense, Hyderabad, HYD. We used to call Hyderabad HYD in short. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose something impacted on India. What happens? Automatically it will impact. Correct, Mohammed?
Correct.
Okay, that's okay. Suppose something happened to the state Telangana. Suppose, what will happen? Automatically it will impact the district also, because it is under Hyderabad is under Telangana, correct? They both
Yes.
will work. But what about India? India have more than 29 states, right? If one
Okay.
state affected, remaining 28 states will be like that only, right? It doesn't impact.
Yeah.
Which means it doesn't impact. Only this state will be impact. Suppose in the India, I do have one more state called Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka. So in this situation, current situation, it is impacted only Telangana, right, Mohammed? So if it is
Yeah.
impacted on Telangana state entire related to districts only impact, not Karnataka. Okay, this means, example, this India means this is a project level, Mohammed. This is a project level TCP. Understood?
Yeah.
And this is, we can call it as a folder level TCP, and this we can call it as test case level. Understood, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Suppose, I'll take one more example here only. Suppose in the, this is test case level, right? You can read here. In the test case level, in the sense, for suppose in the states, I have one more district called Nalgonda.
Mm-hmm.
I have one more district in the Telangana, Nalgonda. Okay, I have applied TCP here, Mohammed. Okay, what is this level? Folder level, correct? If something happened to the folder level, which means if I keep email here, this email will be applicable to this test case. Also, this email will be applicable to this test case also. Clear, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Next, suppose I'm not complicating it, I'm just making it easy. Okay, suppose now you just need to understand. Currently, I just created an email here for suppose Mohammed. I just created an email here. Is it visible? Yellow color.
Kind of. Not. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. This is
Yeah,
an
black
email.
is better.
Yeah. I created email here. What is this test case level? So if I created an email here, or if something happens here, what happens? Only this one only impact, not this. Hyderabad district only impact, not this. Correct? It won't impact because this is just a test case level. Okay. If it is impact in the test folder level, remaining folders will be impacted. Understood, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Okay, this one if it is impact in the folder level, this is folder 1, this is folder 2, this is folder 3, and this is folder 4. If it is impact complete folder level, this will impact, this will impact, this will be, this will impact. But suppose I just mentioned here only, I mentioned test case TCP in the only test case level only, Mohammed. Test case level in the sense only if something happened, this will impact it. This doesn't impact all this stuff. It doesn't impact. It doesn't impact. It doesn't impact. So which means this is a test case level. Okay, this is a folder level, and this is project level. Okay, we can create test case in the project level. We can create a project TCP in the folder level. We can create a test case in the test case level also. This is what you understood.
Yeah.
Suppose example, आपका पापा नाम बोलिए. Papa, just I'll keep Papa.
Yeah. Papa.
Abu. Okay, he is your Abu. Okay, under how many children? Tell me. How many?
7.
2 or 1?
7.
7. Okay, I need to create 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Right now this I'll write it down. This is a project level. Clear? And this is folder level. This is a folder level. Okay, here I know one guy called Muhammad. I know Muhammad. Okay, remaining example, sister, brother, sister, brother, sister, brother, something like this. Okay, if Abbu say something, all guys must be listen. No doubt in that. If Abbu say something, all guys must be listen. Correct?
Yeah.
But one thing. Suppose this we can call it as project in the sense he is a parent. Okay, he is a child. Correct? So in this also for Muhammad also one kid, right? Muhammad also I have suppose 2 kids, kid 1 and kid 2. Okay, suppose if some Abbu says, everybody must be listen, because everybody comes under Abbu, right, my dear brother?
Yeah.
Okay, but some example, Noor is there. I'll take Noor only. Okay, suppose Noor is saying, hey दादाजी आप कुछ करो. बोले तो कुछ करता है क्या अब्बू? नहीं करता ना. नहीं करता.
No.
जरूर नहीं करता. So Noor, if say Noor something, Abbu will not listen, because Abbu knows that which is good and bad. Okay.
Yeah.
But this is only applicable to Noor only. Okay, Noor, Abbu is not coming. That's okay. Grandpa is not coming. I'll go and मैं जाके खेलता हूँ. I'll go and play. This is this level only. This is for only. This we can call it as Mohammed. This we can call it as test case level. Okay. What's his name? Noor ka brother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose Yasir is there. Noor is calling, hey Yasir, come with me. Yasir will tell, hey, just go ahead, I have some work. Because he has his own individuality. Because this is separate test case. This is separate test case. Okay, we are applying test case this level in the sense it doesn't impact the Noor also. Okay, they are different children's, right? So if it is applied in the sense, Noor only can work. If you say something to the Yasir, hey Yasir, do this work. Whenever you say that, automatically Noor also will go? No. If you say, if you command Noor only, Noor, you just go and get something, Noor only will go. Okay. If you say both at a time, if you want to both need to go, where you will apply here. So which means Muhammad level. Hey, Muhammad is saying that, hey guys, go and do. If I do changes in the folder level only, so subfolders will be impact. If I do here only, if I apply TCP here, only this whatever under this this category test cases only will be, I mean test steps only will be impact. Mohammed, this is really good example. 100% this is really good example. Nobody will teach like this. Okay. In the TCP also we have a project level, we have a folder level, we have a test case level. So this is a test case 1 and this is a test case 2. Clear? If you apply for one test case 1, okay, and you have given some values here, these values will not applicable here. Okay, but if you keep values here, suppose these values will be applicable to here and here also. Understood? So that's
Yes.
it. That's all it. Okay, that is TCP. TCP completed.
Interesting.
Okay, fine, Mohammed. Please go through ChatGPT and try to read it and do practice.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, whatever I have shown you today, just do practice. If you do practice only, you can understand. Otherwise, if I may chilla kitna bhi chilla do, it doesn't impact if you until you do the practice. If you
True.
do practice only, you can understand. If I say 100 times, it doesn't impact.
Yeah, that's true. No, you're right.
Alright. Okay, Mohammed. Thanks for your time today. So we'll see
Thank
in
you.
next class. I will update you next class. Until
Okay.
then, take care. Bye bye. Yeah.
You too.
Yeah.